welcome to my channel. If you would like to subscribe, you'd be more than welcome. Today we're going to make some makeup for Lily Anna to have for her birthday. So what I did was I went to the charity shop and I just got this, and it's a little individual eyeshadow case. It just closes up and opens up, and they had some blue eyeshadow which I just took my scissors and broke it up and took it out. So I think it was something like 20 pence. Then I took a little piece of brown, sorry, that was the cat. Then I took a little piece of brown foam, it's like funky foam, and I cut it so that it would fit the size of my case. So I just cut out a little rectangle which was the same size as the case, like that. Then I took some of these little split pins, like that, and you can buy these in packets and you can get all different colours, and you can get round ones, but I really like these little flowers. So I just took the flowers, and you can probably do it a little bit better than I have, and I just poke them through the actual foam, and then I opened them up on the back like that. And then I was a little bit worried that the children might get hold of it, so I've just placed a piece of duct tape. I've got some white duct tape, so just place that on the back to protect it, stop the children from getting into it. And then I'm going to pop that in there. Now if you're lucky you might get a little brush with it, but mine didn't come with it. So what I did, I took one of my old makeup brushes similar to this, and then I took my scissors and I cut it right near the edge like that. You might be able to, you can probably pull it off first and then cut it, and then I went all round and with my pliers and just squeezed it in. And then I took my emery board and I just sanded it all off to make sure there was no sharp edges on it all over, so it was nice, so it's no bits which the children could stab themselves with. And there you have a little makeup case full of eyeshadows for your dolls. And also, whilst I was down there, I found this little bottle of perfume. And this is one of those ones which you seem to get like from magazines and things like that, and it does actually work. So what I'm going to do is unscrew it and take the perfume out, give it a good wash. I might put it in the dishwasher or something, and then just put a little bit of water in it so that the children can use it for spraying the dolls. And I thought that was just a nice doll sort of size perfume as well. So you've got your little makeup case, and I'm going to do the little tiny perfume bottle as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.